We're diving headfirst into the exciting world of motorcycles. But with so many different types, how do you choose the right one for you? Which bike style matches your personality? Sport, cruiser, naked? Let's break it down. Alright, first up, we got the sport bikes. These machines are the epitome of speed and performance, designed to push the limits of what's possible on two wheels. When you think of sport bikes, think of the ultimate blend of power, agility, and cutting-edge technology. They're not just motorcycles, they're precision instruments engineered for those who crave the thrill of the ride. These are the Ferraris of the motorcycle world. Just like a high-end sports car, a sport bike is built to deliver an exhilarating experience. Every component, from the engine to the frame, is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum performance. The sleek lines and aggressive stance are not just for show, they serve a purpose, reducing drag and enhancing stability at high speeds. Sleek, aggressive, built for pure speed. These bikes are designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance, allowing riders to reach incredible speeds in a matter of seconds. The aerodynamic design isn't just about looking good, it's about optimizing performance. Every curve, every angle is calculated to perfection. Think Yamaha R3, Kawasaki Ninja 400. These machines are meant to carve corners and dominate the track. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a weekend warrior, these bikes offer a level of precision and control that's hard to match. The lightweight chassis and powerful engines make them incredibly responsive, allowing you to navigate tight corners with ease. We're talking about bikes that are lightweight, aerodynamic, with engines that scream. The power-to-weight ratio is off the charts, giving you an adrenaline rush every time you twist the throttle. These engines are marvels of engineering, capable of producing immense power while remaining compact and efficient. You're gonna feel every bump in the road, every twist of the throttle. The suspension is tuned for performance, not comfort, so you'll be in for a rough ride on anything but the smoothest pavement. But that's part of the appeal. It's a raw, unfiltered experience that connects you directly to the road. This ain't your grandpa's motorcycle, alright? These bikes are a far cry from the cruisers of yesteryear. They're packed with advanced technology, from electronic fuel injection to traction control systems. These features not only enhance performance but also add a layer of safety, allowing you to push the limits with confidence. This is for the adrenaline junkies, the speed demons, the ones who want to feel the wind in their hair, or lack thereof, because you're gonna want a full-face helmet with one of these bad boys. Safety gear is a must when you're riding at high speeds. A full-face helmet, armored jacket, and gloves are essential to protect you in case of a fall. But let's be real, you're not gonna be cruising down to the grocery store in comfort on one of these. These bikes are built for performance, not practicality. The aggressive riding position and stiff suspension make them less than ideal for running errands or commuting in heavy traffic. The riding position is aggressive, you're hunched over the tank, it's not ideal for long rides. This position is designed to reduce wind resistance and improve control at high speeds, but it can be uncomfortable over long distances. Your body will be in a forward-leaning stance, putting pressure on your wrists and lower back. Your back will hate you, your wrists will hate you, but your heart? Despite the physical discomfort, the thrill of riding a sport bike is unmatched. The sense of speed, the roar of the engine, and the rush of adrenaline make it all worthwhile. It's a love-hate relationship that only true enthusiasts understand. Your heart will be singing. The joy of riding a sport bike is something that can't be put into words. It's a feeling of freedom, of being one with the machine, of pushing your limits and conquering the road. For those who live for speed, there's nothing quite like it. Next up, we got the cruisers. These are the kings of the open road, built for comfort and style. Think Harley-Davidson Street 500, Honda Rebel 500. These bikes are all about that classic cruiser look. You're sitting low, you're sitting relaxed, you got that rumbling V-twin engine beneath you, just eating up the miles. These bikes are heavier than sport bikes, they don't handle as sharply, and they're not gonna win any races. But that's not what they're about. Cruisers are about enjoying the ride, feeling the wind in your face, and looking damn good doing it. They're perfect for weekend rides, cruising down the coast, or just exploring back roads. Now let's talk about naked bikes. These motorcycles are often seen as the perfect blend of performance, style, and practicality. They are designed to be versatile, making them suitable for a variety of riding conditions and environments. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or enjoying a weekend ride on a scenic route, naked bikes have got you covered. These are the versatile ones, the all-rounders. They are built to handle a wide range of riding scenarios, from the hustle and bustle of urban streets to the open roads of the countryside. Their adaptability makes them a popular choice among riders who want a bike that can do it all. Think Yamaha MT-07, KTM Duke 390. They're like the Swiss Army knives of the motorcycle world. These bikes are equipped with powerful engines and agile handling, allowing them to perform exceptionally well in various situations. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through twisty mountain roads, these bikes deliver a thrilling and enjoyable ride. They offer a good balance of performance and comfort. The upright seating position ensures that you can ride for extended periods without experiencing discomfort. This makes them ideal for both short commutes and long-distance journeys. The combination of a comfortable ride and impressive performance means you don't have to compromise on either aspect. You're sitting upright, so your back's happy, but you can still throw them into corners with confidence. The lightweight nature of naked bikes allows for easy maneuverability, making them a joy to ride on twisty roads. You can lean into corners with ease, knowing that the bike will respond quickly and accurately to your inputs. They're also generally lighter and more affordable than cruisers, making them a great option for beginners. The lower weight makes them easier to handle, especially for new riders who are still getting used to the dynamics of motorcycling. Additionally, the affordability factor means you can get a high-quality bike without breaking the bank. Now they're called naked bikes because, well, they're naked. This means they have minimal bodywork and fairings, giving them a stripped-down, raw appearance. This design not only looks cool but also reduces the overall weight of the bike, contributing to its agile handling and performance. They don't have a lot of fairings or wind protection, so you're gonna feel the wind blast at high speeds. While this might be a downside for some, many riders enjoy the sensation of being more exposed to the elements. It adds to the thrill and excitement of riding, making you feel more connected to the environment around you. But hey, that's all part of the fun, right? The raw, unfiltered riding experience is what makes naked bikes so appealing to many enthusiasts. The direct connection to the road and the elements creates a sense of freedom and adventure that is hard to match with other types of motorcycles. Feeling the elements, being connected to the road, this is what riding a naked bike is all about. It's about embracing the simplicity and purity of motorcycling, where the focus is on the ride itself rather than the bells and whistles. So if you're looking for a bike that offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and raw riding pleasure, a naked bike might just be the perfect choice for you. Chapter 4. Alright, so we've covered the three main types of motorcycles: sport, cruiser, and naked. Each of these bikes has its own unique characteristics and appeals to different kinds of riders. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a comfort seeker, or someone who wants a bit of both, there's a bike out there for you. But which one is right for you? Choosing the right bike can be a daunting task, especially with so many options available. It's important to consider what you value most in a motorcycle. Is it speed, comfort, versatility, or perhaps a combination of these factors? Let's break it down with a little head-to-head comparison. We'll look at how each bike performs in terms of speed, comfort, price, and daily use. This way you can make an informed decision based on your personal preferences and riding style. When it comes to speed, sport bikes are the clear winners. They're built for it. With their aerodynamic design, powerful engines, and advanced suspension systems, sport bikes are designed to go fast and handle well at high speeds. If you're someone who loves the thrill of acceleration and cornering, a sport bike might be the perfect choice for you. Cruisers, on the other hand, are all about that relaxed pace. They offer a laid-back riding experience that's perfect for long, leisurely rides. With their comfortable seating position and smooth handling, cruisers are ideal for those who want to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. And nakeds fall somewhere in between. They offer a good balance of performance and comfort, making them versatile enough for both city commuting and weekend adventures. With their upright seating position and agile handling, nakeds are great for riders who want a bit of everything. Comfort, cruisers take the crown. Their design prioritizes rider comfort, with plush seats and a relaxed riding posture. If you plan on spending long hours on the road, a cruiser will keep you comfortable mile after mile. You're practically sitting in an armchair on those things. The wide, cushioned seats and ergonomic design make cruisers the go-to choice for comfort seekers. Nakeds are pretty comfortable too, offering a more upright seating position that reduces strain on your back and wrists. They're a great option if you want a bike that's comfortable for both short and long rides. But those sport bikes, not so much. Their aggressive riding posture, while great for high-speed performance, can be uncomfortable for extended periods. If you're planning on long rides, you might want to consider how much comfort you're willing to sacrifice for speed. Price-wise, nakeds are usually the most affordable, followed by cruisers and then sport bikes. The cost of a motorcycle can vary widely depending on the brand, model, and features, so it's important to set a budget and find a bike that offers the best value for your money. And finally, daily use? Nakeds are the most versatile, great for commuting and weekend rides. Their lightweight design and agile handling make them perfect for navigating city traffic, while their performance capabilities ensure you can have fun on the open road as well. Whether you're riding to work or heading out on a weekend road trip, a naked bike can handle it all. They're the jack of all trades in the motorcycle world. Cruisers are better for longer rides, offering a comfortable and enjoyable experience for those extended journeys. If you love the idea of hitting the open road and exploring new places, a cruiser might be the bike for you. And sport bikes? Well, let's just say they're not the most practical choice for everyday use. Their design and performance are geared towards speed and agility, which can be a bit much for daily commuting. However, if you live for the thrill of the ride and don't mind a bit of discomfort, a sport bike can be an exhilarating choice. Chapter 5. So, there you have it, the lowdown on sport bikes, cruiser bikes, and naked bikes. But at the end of the day, the best bike for you is the one that you're going to love riding the most. Ask yourself, what kind of riding do you see yourself doing? Do you crave speed and adrenaline? Do you yearn for the open road and the wind in your hair? Or do you want a versatile bike that can handle anything you throw at it? Think about your lifestyle, your budget, and your riding experience. And most importantly, go out there and test ride some bikes. Get a feel for what you like and what you don't like. Chapter 6. So what's it gonna be? The Speed Demon, the Cruiser King, or the Versatile Naked? Let me know in the comments down below which bike you'd choose and why. And if you're hungry for more motorcycle content, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. Until next time, ride safe, ride hard, and I'll catch you in the next one. So there you have it, your complete guide to finding the perfect motorcycle for you. Which type would you choose? Comment below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who are also trying to decide which bike is right for them. Subscribe for more motorcycle content weekly.